See, I'm gonna do it not awkwardly. Cause you know, all you do it awkwardly. Boom, look at that.
And that's not awkward.
Wasting all your time howling at a half moon, adding a little doom and gloom to your doom and gloom. You can do what you do, but I got bigger fish to fry.
Okay, it's gonna be
Let's go sideways.
sideways?
Yeah,
Okay.
sideways. Give me a challenge.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, why is this on?
Watch the way you land. Just gotta get it.
Of course, my sister starts being loud. Frick this. There.
Yeah, see, yeah. That's not awkward. Just doing some yoga poses. Nothing special. Come on. No! It just completely
That's
launched
the
me.
worst when that happens.
I have to get stuck like that? Like, seriously? Like, I'm ratchet.
Oops, I just hit my mic.
You know, with most of my videos that last like 30 minutes, I just like cut all the stuff out. So it's like a 6-minute video. Cause
Frick! No!
nobody on this planet. It's gotta be like 5 max. Not until I become like PewDiePie. When I become PewDiePie, I'll make like 24-hour videos.
So you can get that money.
Yeah, make that money. I'll be rich. I'll buy Steam. I'd be like, Gabe, how much you offer your life? You got it.
I'm freaking Spider-Man.
No, you're not. You're Helicopter Man.
Helicopter.
I mean, look.
No.
It's
Wait,
not
I'm about to
Spider-Man.
get full length.
My length was better last time.
Fine.
It was. Oh, my mouse. It's not good playing in windowed mode.
Then fix it.
Well, do you want a video? Do you want a dank video?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Shut up.
Fine.
I'd be like, get out. Maki.
Are all those like typical white girl DIY things?
What would that be?
Hmm?
The intro music you chose for our team name. I mean, yeah, for our team intro. The Beat Productions.
Yeah.
That ghetto music.
I'm stuck. Oh, did you see that?
Oh, by the way, if anybody's watching this, like if you're watching this, feel free to join meme. Okay, Bubby.
Okay.
I'm not gonna leave that in. You ready for this height? Yay!
Technically, it's length because we're not going upwards. But
Height sideways. I meant to say
which
length,
is
but-
length. Height sideways.
Yeah, length sideways. Well, I meant to say length.
You're about to be brain dead. Katie, you know you're being recorded.
I'm being recorded?
Uh-huh.
What are you recording with?
My helicopter.
Your helicopter? What the fuck?
Look at those splits. Oh my.
Did you hear my sister?
No. I don't think I'm
She's
lying.
like, what the?
Oh, get
Wait,
ready.
repeat what you said the first time.
Does he have a dick?
No. That's not what
No
you said.
dip.
Yes, I did.
Nah,
He has
put,
dip.
like- yeah, I put like
Does he have
a hot dog. in
No,
my
that's
pants.
clearly just corn on the cob.
So of course. Oh, my mistake. Oh, my mistake.
You have it? Oh, wait, no way.
Huh?
No. You see that this is your fault.
How?
'Cause you made it so awkward.
Pink.
Just the way you did that thing. And then the thing touched. And then
Hurry up. You have 23, 22,
I got
21.
it.
19, 18, 17, 16. No, you don't.
He's waving.
Stop doing the nay-nay.
Aw, psych. Only got 10 seconds. You should have did the nay-nay. Should have did the
Nuh-uh.
nay-nay. Should have did the nay-nay.
Nah.
It's all your fault. Yeah, it's all your fault.
Break this crap.
We're not the type of YouTubers to go. Well, thank you guys for watching. I mean, we don't have a, it's not like, hey guys, it's hey guys, it's thank you never running. Thank you. We're about to lose. We're about to lose. We're about to lose.
We're about to lose. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Gotta go pull out the dusty noose. Oops, I just closed the game. You better leave that in the video.
Thank you guys for watching. This has been oh wait, no
Helicopter
outro.
Man's
No outro,
Adventures.
no outro.